Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay, and as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. If you tap right here, you get access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Then we can go to settings, where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Next, we've got contactless setup, help and support, and send feedback. Unfortunately, contactless setup is not available on this tab because it doesn't have NFC. If you tap right here, you get access to your Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.